Hi, my name's Chris. I'm with Adventure Hammock Systems. We make vehicle-mounted hammock stands. Take on your adventures. Most of them go in the trailer hitch, and then we have some other options for the rooftop as well. This is our original hammock mount. This is our flagship model. This, of course, goes in your receiver hitch. Then these arms lock in. I'll demo one for you on the vehicle because it moves on the table. But this is our premium model. Everything telescopes. It's all self-contained. This is our budget model. This one also goes in the receiver hitch. And then you have these 4 arms that store separately. So it's just a simpler option, saves some cost on that, but they both perform the same function.
So this one has it all kind of like built in?
Yeah, so yeah, this one, everything just locks into place, telescopes out. You set up your hammock in seconds. The other one's also really simple, but you have to store the arms separately. So this right here, this is our newest offering. This is our Mammoth mount. It's heavy duty, rated to 450 pounds. It operates similar to the bare bones, but it's much heavier duty, thicker materials, extra reinforcements. And then this one, because it's the XL, it's a longer model, so it can fit larger hammocks for camping, or like this is the Haven lay flat style hammock. So there's more options with the longer hammock mount.
You can sleep in this.
Yeah. That's the intention of the Haven tent, is for camping mostly.
Okay.
The design's really cool where it gives you a nice flat kind of platform to lay on, as if you're sleeping on a sleeping pad or a cot or something like that.
Okay.
But you don't have to find yourself any flat ground. You can just set it up on the trailer hitch with our hammock mount.
Sweet. And then for the camping pad, do you supply that as well, or
So this whole hammock tent system is from Haven.
Okay.
We don't resell those actually.
Okay.
We partner with them, but this one is their specific, I think it's patented proprietary design from them.
Okay.
We sell more standard hammocks, which you can also use for sleeping and for camping.
Yeah.
But you can use them for recreation as well.
Okay, so your guys' product is the actual...
The stand itself.
The stand itself. Okay.
Yeah, and then we sell the hammocks and we sell a bunch of accessories, so it can we can be a one-stop shop, but our primary product line is the hammock stands themselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then are the stands compatible with like any other hammock as well? Like if you already have a hammock?
Yep. Yeah, that's the goal is, a lot of people have 1 or 2 or 5 hammocks already. So we kind of design the hammock stands around most of your standard size hammocks. And then the XL accommodates some of the longer hammocks as well. But for the most part, they're all pretty similar in length. Sometimes you have to make some minor adjustments to get it, the hang where you want it.
Okay.
But we just kind of tried to accommodate what was already on the market there.
Sweet.
Yeah. So this is our Summit. It mounts to roof racks. It's adjustable in width, so you can kind of land the brackets right on the bars of the roof. And just like our other hammock mounts, it's intended to be super easy and convenient. This one's cool because you get a really sweet viewpoint up there. Also kind of fun, to be hanging up, 6-8 feet in the air. But yeah, this one folds flat so for driving. So it's low profile and it sets up super easily.
Nice. That's really cool. And it's meant for the roof. It's not like you can take it off the roof and put it in your hitch, right?
No, yeah, that one doesn't go in the hitch, but we do have a ground stand option for it. So this is the same hammock mount as the one that's on the roof on these support bars. And so you can just use it as a portable hammock stand as well, or in your backyard, or, any flat surface.
And how long does it take to take it off of the roof and put it on the ground?
It takes a couple minutes, and then you have to add the bars. The intention isn't really to have it do both.
Okay.
The intention is to kind of set it up for one or the other application.
Okay.
Yeah, or maybe you put it on the roof when you go on a trip, and then you get home and you set it up in the backyard for a couple months or something, and then you can swap it that way.
See, I like that because you can purchase this, and everybody has a home, and you want to be in a hammock at home, you can put this out in your yard, and that way you're not tied to, well, how do I bring my vehicle to set up my hammock? So I do like the versatility of that.
Yeah, and of course, you can put this one anywhere. So
And then is the one in the front any different?
The one in the front is the same as the one that I demoed on the board over there.
Okay.
So that's our original hammock mount, folds up, super compact. This one has our umbrella attachment. But yeah, and then these are the hammocks that we offer. So just kind of a standard gathered end hammock.
Okay.
Super high quality, super comfortable. You can set them up with an underquilt and an awning and stuff if you want to camp in them.
Yeah.
Or you can just use them like this for leisure.
And then what are your prices for the budget option and then this option here?
Yeah, so the budget option is it starts at $250,
Okay.
and then depending on the configuration and the coating options and the XL,
Got
it'll go up to $350.
Okay.
And then this one's $550
Okay.
for the original telescoping design.
Awesome. Is there a benefit to go with the budget version versus this option?
Yeah,
Or-
so the budget version, I mean, they perform the same function.
Okay.
They end up being the same length. They can accommodate, most standard hammocks.
Yeah.
What you're paying for with the original is convenience.
Okay.
Because everything's always right there, ready to go.
Yeah.
It pops into place. There's no loose fasteners,
Right.
no loose pieces.
Yeah.
So say you have like a 2-door Jeep or something like that. You
Yeah.
don't have extra storage space. You don't want to have to find a spot to put those extra arms.
Yeah.
So the original is a great application for that. Or God forbid you go camping and you forget the arms at home or something. That's not going
Right.
to happen with the original.
Yeah.
The goal of the original, the whole assembly of the original, and with the bare bones, the frame portion, they both live in your trailer hitch. So the
Okay.
idea is you're going to go on a trip, you slam it in the hitch, lock it in there,
Yeah.
and you leave it there. It doesn't take up any space inside your vehicle. And that way it's the most convenient because it's ready to go.
Cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
I really like this product and this idea.
Thanks. Yeah.
Tell people where they can find more information about you guys.
Cool. Yeah. We're online at adventurehammocksystems.com. You can check out the website. You can email us, message us on any of the social medias, Adventure Hammock Systems. So yeah, we're around.
Cool. Thank you.
Cool.